The VIOFO A129 Duo Dual Lens Dashcam promises a crystal-clear recording experience thanks to its Sony Starvis image sensors in both the front and rear cameras. This is a big deal, especially for low-light conditions. We're going to take a close look at whether it lives up to the hype. The A129 Duo boasts full HD 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second on both cameras, ensuring you don't have to sacrifice quality for that dual-channel perspective. The f1.6 aperture and 7-element glass lens on both cameras should further enhance image clarity and low-light performance. One of the standout features is the inclusion of dual-band Wi-Fi. This means a more stable connection to your smartphone for viewing and downloading footage, eliminating those frustrating connection drops. No more waiting forever for files to transfer. The 2-inch HD screen on the device allows for quick playback and on-the-fly settings adjustments, although, of course, you shouldn't be fiddling with it while driving. The 140-degree wide viewing angle captures a good portion of the road ahead and behind. While the specs look impressive on paper, real-world performance is key. We'll be testing the A129 Duo in various lighting conditions, from bright daylight to nighttime driving, to see how well the Starvis sensor performs. We'll also be checking out the Wi-Fi connectivity, ease of use, and the overall reliability of the device. So, does the VIOFO A129 Duo deliver on its promise of superior image quality? Stay tuned to find out in our comprehensive testing and driving footage. We'll delve into the pros and cons, and ultimately help you decide if this is the right dashcam for you.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.